Hello, if you want to hard reset your Samsung S24 FE by using recovery mode, then first of all, you have to be sure that you connected this phone into your PC. So connect the USB cable into your phone and into the USB-C port on your S24 FE. Next, you will have to wait until you will get this charging screen. And by the way, you will have to turn off your phone by using the power button or combination the power button and the volume down button. And now just wait for it. There we go. Now you will have to click on the volume up button and then the power button. So take a look, volume up, power button. And now we have to wait until the Samsung logo pops on the screen, and we have to release the power button and only keep holding the volume up button. So now we are waiting until we enter for recovery mode. There we go. And right now what you have to do is just to scroll with the volume down button, select wipe data factory reset, click on the power button to confirm, scroll with the volume down to the factory data reset, and click on the power button one more time. Now as you can see, the reset is complete. So if you want to finish, you will have to simply select power off or tap to reboot system now and click on the power button, so you will start with the first setup screen. That will be all, and thanks for watching.